Hello and welcome to IT Voice, your one stop for all things tech. I'm Chahat, bringing you the latest from the world of technology. From cutting edge product launches to breakthroughs in artificial intelligence, we've got it all covered. Google Android Show 2026, live stream time, where to watch and what to expect. Google's Android Show I/O Edition 2026 will live stream on May 12th at 10:30 p.m. IST ahead of the main Google I/O Developers Conference later this month. The event will be streamed on Google's official YouTube channel and Android website. Google is expected to showcase major Android updates, including early details about Android 17, deeper Gemini AI integration, multitasking improvements for foldables and tablets, upgraded screen recording tools, and possible Android XR announcements. The show will focus on consumer-facing Android innovations before Google shifts attention toward AI and developer technologies at I/O 2026. WhatsApp Plus premium subscription starts rolling out to select users. WhatsApp has reportedly begun rolling out its new premium subscription service called WhatsApp Plus to a limited number of iPhone users. The paid tier focuses mainly on personalization features, including custom themes, new app icons, exclusive stickers, premium ringtones, and the ability to pin up to 20 chats. Users can also apply themes and notification settings across multiple chats at once. Pricing may vary by region, with some countries offering free trials. However, the feature is still in limited testing, meaning most users cannot access or install the subscription yet. Apple reportedly preparing macOS 27 redesign to improve liquid glass experience. Apple is reportedly working on a refined redesign for macOS 27, focusing on improving the controversial liquid glass interface introduced with macOS Tahoe. The update is expected to fix issues related to transparency, shadows, and readability that many users found distracting on MacBooks. Reports suggest Apple will make the interface cleaner, smoother, and easier to navigate while keeping the futuristic glass-like aesthetic intact. macOS 27 may also bring performance improvements, battery optimizations, smarter Safari tab organization, and upgraded AI-powered Siri features. Apple is expected to officially unveil the update during WWDC 2026 in June. Google may replace CAPTCHA with QR code human verification system. Google is reportedly testing a new verification method that could replace traditional CAPTCHA tests with QR code-based human verification. Instead of selecting images like traffic lights or bicycles, users may need to scan a QR code using their smartphone to prove they are human. The system is expected to connect with Google Play services on Android devices, raising privacy concerns about linking phones to websites users visit. Critics say the feature could increase tracking and create issues for people using de-Googled Android phones. The new system may become part of Google's next generation CAPTCHA technology. Whoop ads, in-app clinician access, and new AI health features. Whoop has announced major new health and AI features for its fitness platform, including on-demand video consultations with licensed clinicians directly inside the app for US users. The company is also introducing AI-powered tools like My Memory and proactive check-ins, which provide more personalized coaching and health recommendations based on user habits, recovery, sleep, and activity data. Whoop will additionally support electronic health record syncing, allowing deeper medical insights through connected health history and biometric data. The updates aim to transform Whoop from a fitness tracker into a more advanced AI-driven digital health platform. Whoop. Huawei reportedly testing smartphone with massive 10,000 mAh battery. Huawei is reportedly developing a new smartphone with a battery capacity exceeding 10,000 mAh, potentially making it one of the biggest batteries ever used in a mainstream phone. Leaks suggest the company is using a new battery material and redesigned cell architecture to maintain performance without making the device overly bulky. The technology may first appear in Huawei's upcoming Enjoy 100 series or other mid-range models before reaching flagship devices. The move reflects a growing trend among smartphone brands focusing on ultra-long battery life, with Huawei aiming to compete aggressively in the high-capacity battery smartphone segment. Today's AI tool is EchoTick, AI-powered TikTok Shop analytics platform for sellers and creators. EchoTick is a data-driven TikTok Shop analytics platform designed for sellers, creators, and agencies managing e-commerce on TikTok. It provides access to billions of product records, creator rankings, live stream tracking, and real-time GMV insights to monitor trends and competitors effectively. Alongside analytics, EchoTick includes AI tools for script extraction, content rewriting, hook generation, promotional copy, influencer outreach, and image editing. Built by Singapore-based EchoCell company, the platform combines market intelligence with AI-powered content support. With affordable pricing and a free tier, it helps businesses scale TikTok-driven sales and marketing strategies efficiently. Our lead story is about HP re-enters India's tablet market with launch of OmniPad with Tube. HP has officially returned to the tablet market in India with the launch of the OmniPad 12, its first Android-powered detachable tablet in over a decade. Priced at $48,999, the device features a 12-inch touchscreen display, Qualcomm Snapdragon processor, detachable keyboard, and up to 18 hours of battery life. HP is targeting students, first-time PC users, and professionals seeking portable productivity. The company sees India as a key growth market for tablets due to rising demand in education and hybrid work. The OmniPad 12 will compete with Apple, Samsung, Lenovo, and Xiaomi devices. That's it for today's bulletin. We'll be back tomorrow with more insights and another AI tool to supercharge your digital life. Stay sharp, stay ahead. This is Chahat signing off from IT Voice.